everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up arm stand or armor stand switcher. You will need redstone dust, a sticky piston, redstone torch, a stone button, a slime block, a trapdoor, a block of your choice, obsidian, and of course an arm stand. First, place your block, redstone torch, then next to the redstone torch here, there's a sticky piston facing upward, should be activated, and then place a slime block on top of it. Then place the obsidian block here, and then place redstone dust right here, and the redstone torch there, and then that should come down. Then place redstone dust there, and then this is just basically going to be your surface, and then place a trapdoor there, and your button there, and just cover it up like this, and then place your armor stand here, and this is what a pop-up armor stand would look like. It would shoot it out, and then come back in, the trapdoor will just open, and it will fall back in. And if you want to switch, well, you'll just put another armor stand at the top, and then it'll switch. See, look, that comes down and that goes up. That comes down and that comes up. Thanks for watching. Bye.